Where's Lil Jesse? Wasn't he supposed to meet us here tonight? I hope he didn't forget about my appointment to blow him. He's late and I'm growing impatient and I really want him.
Don't know, he should have been here by now. Maybe he's on another appointment getting blowed. You're not the only one that blows him. Don't worry, he's coming. I've already paid him.
Fuck you. Don't fucking talk like that to me. I'm your fucking wife. I'm supposed to blow him after a few drinks. I'm ready to blow him now. He's fucking late for my appointment.
You really like blowing him, huh? Damn it. Last time I watched as you made his toes curl up and his eyes roll to the back of his head, you never did me like that, so fuck you too, bitch.
Yeah. Wasn't I really great? I almost made Lil Jesse pass out, but I passed out instead. You're such a good husband. Thanks for letting me blow him. Call him so you can watch me again.
I'm really not up for that kinda shit tonight. Last time I had to give you mouth to mouth after you blew him like a fucking whistle and you choked and passed out, so fuck that.
Damn right. My throat is still sore and I still have stretch marks on both sides of my mouth from doing him. I hear it's one of Lil Jesse's famous trademarks.
Damn. It's gonna cost me a fucking fortune to remove Lil Jesse's dick print from the back of your neck. You really went girls gone wild on him that time, bitch, you lil nasty whore.
Yeah. Lil Jesse's not a pistol, he's a long-barreled shotgun and I like being his trigger. I hear his cock is on a wanted poster at the post office. You're not jealous of him, are you?
Fuck you and fuck Lil Jesse. Your mother and sister blew me and Lil Jesse on your birthday. Why do you think I let you blow him anyway? Do you think I really care? Fuck no.